Starting around the 12th of May 2023, Algorand explicitly is exchanging at 16 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.21% in most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. ALGO especially has a complete market cap of $1,184,750,995 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,872,380, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This sort of makes Algorand most certainly positioning at 41 in the cryptographic money market in a very significant manner. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Algorand in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023? Which generally is genuinely huge. Is Algorand a wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will ALGO cost in a real sense outperform its untouched most certainly high in a significant manner? These are our Algorand cost expectations for LGO's future, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand value expectation 2023, which is genuinely huge. As per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the ALGO cost basically is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a normal value level of 23 cents. The normal kind of least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to sort of be 22 cents, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, ALGO can generally arrive at a truly greatest value level of 25 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand value expectation May 2023. The cost of Algorand in every practical sense is in every way that really matters, anticipated to generally reach at a very least worth of 16 cents in May 2023. Genuinely further appearance how Algorand value forecast 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The ALGO cost could sort of arrive at an essentially greatest worth of 18 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 18 cents all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value conjecture June 2023. The Algorand cost for June 2023 may arrive at an extremely least worth of 18 cents while the greatest gauge cost most certainly is around 19 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. The fundamentally normal cost for LGO most certainly is basically anticipated to basically reach 18 cents in June 2023, so Algorand value expectation 2023, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. ALGO value figure July 2023. In July 2023 the cost of Algorand certainly is estimated to explicitly be at around a base worth of 18 cents, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Algorand value worth can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of 20 cents with the very normal exchanging worth of 19 cents in USD, which is very huge. Algorand value figure August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of Algorand explicitly is supposed to essentially be at around at least 19 cents, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost can basically arrive at a genuinely limit of 21 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 20 cents in USD in a significant way. ALGO value gauge September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of Algorand fundamentally is determined to for the most part be at around a really least worth of 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Algorand value worth can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally limit of 22 cents with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 21 cents in USD, showing that Algorand value figure June 2023. The Algorand cost for June 2023 may truly arrive at a fundamentally least worth of 18 cents while the extremely greatest determined cost basically is around 19 cents, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. ALGO value gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Algorand fundamentally is supposed to for the most part arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 20 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. The ALGO cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 23 cents with the in every way that really matters normal cost around 21 cents. So besides ALGO can generally arrive at a greatest value level of 25 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand value conjecture November 2023. The normal cost of Algorand could fundamentally go to 22 cents toward the finish of November 2023. So in the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand essentially be truly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? ALGO could by and large be exchanging around a really greatest worth of 24 cents with the fundamentally least expected cost of 21 cents in a kind of huge manner. Algorand value figure December 2023. The Algorand cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at least worth of 22 cents while the especially greatest determined cost by and large is around 25 cents incredibly. The truly normal cost for Algo truly is truly anticipated to truly reach 23 cents in December 2023, showing how as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross an exceptionally normal value level of 23 cents. The normal really least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to by and large be 22 cents. Or so they thought. Algorand exceptionally passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been really diminished by 0.75% in its kind of current worth in an unpretentious manner, assuming we most certainly analyze the truly current market cap of the Algo with yesterday. You can sort of see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, which explicitly shows that Algorand value expectation 2023, or so they sort of thought. Algorand explicitly is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in a significant manner. The Algo sort of is down to nearly 10.11% in the very most recent 7 days, which really is very critical. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for pretty past not many days. The coin could especially have major areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't imagine that it could a productive resource in truly present moment, exhibiting how on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand really be truly worth in 2023? Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of a Algo sort of diminished by 26.448%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of 5 cents from its sort of current worth, or so they generally thought. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a sort of good in a real sense purchase an open door for kind of fast interest in a genuinely enormous manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 31.40%, and the cost generally coursed from an essentially least lovely typical cost of 23 cents to by and large greatest especially normal cost of 25 cents in the precise beyond 90 days, showing how these most certainly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand especially is somewhere near 4.85% with the sort of most extreme pretty typical cost of the coin truly was around 17 cents and the by and large least especially normal cost of fundamentally was around 60 cents and by and large beyond 4 months, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand value figure 2023 FAQs what will be Algorand in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in a by and large huge manner. The Algo cost especially is estimated to especially arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 25 cents with most certainly least cost of 22 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a significant manner. Does Algorand sort of have a future, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? As far as value, Algorand really has an exceptional truly potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, showing how besides Algo can sort of arrive at a greatest value level of 25 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. It essentially is gauged that Algo will increment in esteem, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Algorand can raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of